In this video, I'm going to show you how to add services on Setmore. Now, the first thing you have to do here on the left-hand side, you want to go under Services, and then on here, you want to click on this plus icon at the very top right and click on Service. Here, this is where you can basically create a new service. First, of course, you have to kind of give it an image if you want to, so you can upload it. It can be up to 5 megabytes in size, and then you have to give it a title. So, for example, as you can see here, it says it's like an introduction call. I'm just gonna do it an intro call. There we go. And then you can put on the description you want. I'm just gonna leave this blank. You can put on the duration. I'm gonna do 30 minutes over here, and you also can add a buffer time and the cost if you want it to actually not be free. And then here you want to select the location as well, which could be in person, and then the category too, which of course can be added in case you have added any categories. And then if you want it to stay hidden for some time, you could also do that by clicking this toggle button to actually make it hidden. Now over here also you'll be able to add who will provide this service, so we can search and then just do a check mark next to the people who will provide it, and then click on the create button at the very top right. And there we go. As you can see, your new service will be created. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.